Hey guys, so I'm about to go to a party. It's my friend's birthday party and it's a leather versus denim. I've got my camcorder today and this is my outfit. I'm wearing a leather outfit. So I'm going to show you guys all of my friends how they dressed and we're going to have a blast. Yay! Okay, bye. Also, by the way, my name is ANASHE. Okay, I'm currently at the station. Let it go. Okay.
She tell me by now, see I need your love. See I need your love.
Bathroom. What do we want them to know? We want them to know that the girls' bathroom is a place of love and beauty. Beauty, yes. Beauty. Come see my beauty. Oh, hey! Oh, look at them! You see this for free. What? Can I wash my hands?
Okay, and that is the end of the night. You guys already saw my outfit, but that is the end of the night. It was really nice seeing everyone. And I hope you enjoyed this very interesting vlog and outfit check from everybody, all of my friends. Some people were too shy to be on camera, which is totally understandable, and some people I didn't get around to doing. I'm only one girl, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and I'll see you guys next time with the camcorder. Tell me what you guys think of me using the camcorder. It's obviously a bit fuzzier, but it's a bit more retro, a bit more vintage. So tell me if you guys like it. And if you like the video, like and subscribe. And if you want more like this, tell me in the comments. So thanks guys, I love you. Bye. And if you didn't get my name, I am ANASHE. Bye.